Day 3, now you will take a moment and reflect upon what you like about your body and what you don't like about your body. Then you will also present a list on how you treat your body well and how you don't treat your body well. For example, when I think about what I like about my body, I like the fact that it can move in so many different ways. It can roll, it can jump, it can run. And what I don't like about my body is that I have injuries that keep being there, like in my back a little bit and around the psoas. Kind of annoying. I don't like that I can wake up and feel stiff and so on. And sometimes I have moments when I don't like my belly. I don't like if I eat more and exercise less and I feel fat. I judge myself for like being unattractive and so on. And the ways I treat my body well is like when I do qigong, I'm exercising, doing workouts, when I'm meditating. All those feels like I'm really treating my body well. And when I don't treat my body well, that's when I ignore exercise. I, I travel too much and I eat just junk food. I just snack all day long. I drink an extra coffee. I basically just really don't want to listen to my body. I'm overriding it with an agenda and so on, you know. And then the assignment goes on and says, now look at, is there a correlation between what you like about your body and how you treat it, and vice versa? So this is another way to begin to say, hi body, I am studying my relationship with you. I want to get to know you more and how I treat you well and how I don't treat you well, how I add my like dislike of you and how I add my appreciation. Just to not make a value statement, but just to bring more awareness of, yeah, this is how it is. This is my truth. And of course, share it with somebody else. You might learn from others quite a lot, like when you hear them, how they treat their body, what they like about their body, like, oh wow, I don't know that you could think like that or feel like that or treat yourself like, oh, it can give you a lot of ideas and a lot of more compassion because we're kind of in the same boat about that.